Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to upload placeholders in Magento. Okay, so here we have, like, suppose I'm going to my home page, and it's not this page. What's new? We have any page? Women. Okay, so let's check. Suppose I want some placeholder image. Okay, so I'm going to add create first product. Going to product section. I'm going to create one product. Let me go to and add the product. That is product name is S. Okay, price should be like you can add whatever price, quantity, select category that it is staying, and let's save this. Okay, if I'm going to my dashboard, sorry, front end, the default logo is Magento, right? How I can change this placeholder? So let's check out. Go to the stores configuration. We have the catalog section. In the catalog, we have the this is product. Where is product image placeholders? So here you can change it. I'm going to add the placeholder with this one, right? I'm going to add this one, and thumbnail should be like this one. I have added different one for the swatch. I have added different one, right? So I have added this all these images. I'm going to save this. Cache flush done. Let's reload this page. See, you can change the default featured image of Magento, replace it, you can replace the placeholder default of Magento, and you can use whatever placeholder as a thumbnail, swatch image, right? So here is the options. You can go to the stores configuration and just go to the catalog, and here we have all the options. Base image you want to choose, small thumbnail is getting on, right? Swatch and small. This is how you can use this product placeholders. You can change by this method, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you will understand how to do that. Please do like, share and comment.